fast. I should slow down. And that gave me a burp. Yeah, sorry. What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, then hi, I'm Shivani Duggal and I post videos related to fun challenges, vlogs and also makeup. So please subscribe to my channel if you want to spread happiness to me. If you want me to smile, then please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. So I challenged myself last week and the challenge was that I had to drink a gallon of water every day for next 7 days. I don't drink water, okay? I mean, this is not a good thing. And I should say this with a little less proud, but darling, I don't drink water, okay? I just forget to drink water. If you are somebody who is like me, then hi, give me a high five. So I forget to drink water. I don't get thirsty a lot. So yeah, this is not a good thing, not a good thing at all. That's why I took this challenge, and this challenge changed me, changed my life. And I'm gonna share all of that with you in the upcoming minutes, okay, if that makes any sense. So I have my laptop over here and I have already taken out the benefits of drinking a gallon of water in a day. Before giving you the benefits, I need to tell you that how much a gallon of water is in liters, okay? So because I am a dumb person, I don't know, so I also googled, and if you also don't know, then it's okay darling, I'm here, I'll tell you. So 1 gallon of water is equal to almost 4 liters of water. 4 liters of water every day. Technically a gallon is equal to 3.8 liters, but I'm taking it to be 4 liters, and that is crazy. I am not a water drinker. So now, as you know how much a gallon of water is in liters, now I'm going to give you the benefits, okay? So here is my laptop. I have already taken out some benefits of drinking a gallon of water in a day, and first is more energy. I think you can clearly see that, I mean, I am talking too much today. So more energy. Second is clear up skin problems. Oh my god, we have our doctor here. Skin doctor is here. My god. Then fewer headaches. Shed a few pounds. Oh my god, we also have a gym instructor over here, okay? So yeah. It also helps in digestion and constipation. So if you are somebody who is going through constipation, drink a lot of water, dear. And then lighten under eye circles. For your information, I am without makeup, like without any base makeup. There is no foundation, no concealer on my face, and I think that you can see that. I mean, I don't know, I only did my eye makeup today and that's it. So I think our under eyes problem is getting better. I don't want to give you spoilers. You need to watch the results for that, okay? So yeah, these are the benefits of drinking a gallon of water, and I've already done 6 days. This is my 7th day actually. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting because I recorded my journey from day 1 to day 6. Well, a little bit. So please go ahead and watch that first. I mean, you're gonna see that in a few seconds or minutes. Then I'll share my final results with you all. So go ahead and watch that. So till then, let me sip some water.
Don't watch me sip water like this. Go and watch me on day 1.
Okay, so I'm going to use this huge jug which I have. It is 2.5 liters and I still have water in it because my challenge is still going on. So yeah, day 7, I'm coming for you. So this is 2.5 liters and I have to drink around 4 liters. So if I do all the calculations, I have to drink around
2.5, then 2.5, half 3, 1.5, 2.5, 1.5.
So I have to drink around 1.5 of this jug every day, okay? And on my first day, I just thought that this was a magical thing. It was just impossible for me to do it. But as I moved on with the days, I just realized that impossible is a word which says I am possible. So now I'm just throwing up some shit. So don't listen to that. Now let's just move ahead with the video. Okay guys, it's day number 1 and I'm just going to have my water, and it is 11 PM. I woke up really late today, so that's why I'm having my water late. Okay guys, my jug is really huge, so मैं इस bottle में I will put this water and sorry. So I'm going to drink my water from this bottle, and this is the jug that I'm going to use. And let's drink. Okay guys, update. It's 4 PM and my bottle, my jug is all finished. I think I'm drinking my water too fast. I should slow down. So yeah, my jug is finished. Now I'm gonna go and get some more water. Hi guys, it's day number 2 and I'm here just to give you a little update on day 1 because last night I just dozed off really early. So yeah, that's why I am here to inform you that day 1 was very nice. Okay, I was not expecting that I will be able to complete 1 gallon of water, but I did it, and to my surprise I did it really quick. I mean, I don't know, I think I just gulp in my water too fast, which is not a good thing. So today I'm gonna go slow and I will complete my mark, but slowly. Secondly, I want to talk to you guys about urination. So I'm that kind of person who never wakes up in the middle of sleep to go and urinate. But yesterday night I woke up around 3 a.m. and I went to washroom to do my pee, and it's rare. I mean, I never ever wake up like that, and yeah, that's because my bladder is bursting out of 1 gallon of water. So yeah, I'm just giving you an update that if you take this challenge, then get ready to go to your washroom 100 times a day. That's it, okay? So I just hope that it will get better as we move on. So yeah, that was the update for day 2. Hi guys, it's day number 5 of my water challenge, and please ignore my sweaty face. I just finished my workout and I'm here to give you an update. Actually 2-3 updates. So the first update is that my skin is feeling much better today. I feel that my acne marks are going away. They are much lighter now as compared to day 1. They are much lighter now. So I think this is the charisma of water. So yeah, this is one update. Second is that my PP session is still on. I'm waking up every night and I'm going for my PP, and which is, I don't know, okay, that is something I'm going through. Third update is that I am craving water. Okay, so I am more thirsty now, which is really unusual because I'm never thirsty, and now I'm all of a sudden feeling that I'm thirsty or I need water. So that's something unusual which is happening, and which is I think good. And again, I'm thirsty, so I should drink some water. So yeah, that was the update for day number 5. Welcome back. Okay, so today is day 7 and I still have half of this jug to go. I have completed 1 jug already. Now only the half jug is remaining and I'm sipping in my water. So don't worry, I will finish my day 7 really nicely. Now let's talk about the results. And the main reason why I started this challenge was I really want my skin to clear up. So first is that my major problem was skin, because I have a few acne marks, so I wanted that to go away. Next is energy, because you have a lot of things to do and I am that person who is lazy, so I wanted more energy in my body. Third is obviously under eye circles, because trust me, my sleeping schedule is effed up. So I just wanted some good medicine, which is like this water, to get my under eyes in a better position. Then the last is obviously to shed a few pounds, because obviously you can see that I am a little overweight, like a little bit. So definitely I want to reduce my weight, and that's why I took this challenge. Now let's talk about skin. I showed you how my skin looked on day 1 or day 2. I have a very textured skin. I don't know why. I think I'm not taking care of my skin properly. But to be very honest, like, I have not applied anything on my face at this moment. I can definitely feel that the texture is quite less. which is a good thing. My under eyes, I think my sleeping schedule is still really bad, so I cannot blame water that it didn't work, but I think it is still better. My under eyes are still better, and also my acne marks, they are quite light now. I mean, I can see a difference in my face drastically. I don't know whether you guys were able to see that on camera or not, but if you feel that this water thing has given me some changes in my skin, positive changes, then please let me know in the comment section below. Next is energy. Definitely yes, I just felt that my energy was quite up throughout the week when I was having this gallon of water. Even today, I don't know how I am just energized. I mean, okay, energy was quite up. So when it comes to pounds, I have reduced half kilo, and I think it's okay. I mean, I was not doing any diet, so reducing half kilo in a week, it's not bad. So yeah, I think water is magical, and this is what I have learned from the 7 days challenge. So I don't see any flaw in this challenge. I feel that drinking a gallon of water made me a better person, because now I think I am more active, my skin is getting better, touch wood. So yeah, this was my drinking a gallon of water in a day for a week challenge. I really hope that you guys liked it, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel for more such challenges, because I love doing these challenges, and a lot of more challenges are coming in future. So please subscribe and also press the bell icon. And if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you don't like this video, then give this video a thumbs down. It's up to you, it's your choice. I will not say anything to you, definitely. And also comment down below and let me know that do you really feel that my skin is changing or not. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you next time with a new video. Till then, take care and bye bye.